When there is no more room in hell, the dead will walk the earth. Welcome back, curious souls, to our channel. In recent times, we find ourselves quite vested in the zombie culture, be it books, movies, video games. We sure to enjoy watching these movies as they blow our mind. But ever wondered what would happen when the dead really awakens? Well, they would actually feast on our minds. The word zombie evolved from Haitian folklore, and modern-day zombies are known for their relentless pursuit of living beings, their insatiable hunger for human flesh, and their slow and clumsy movements. However, do zombies actually exist in nature? Fasten your seatbelts because we have a bumpy road ahead. Our first stop is the Ophiocordyceps fungi, known for their gruesome interaction with ants. Cordyceps primarily infects carpenter ants. As an ant comes into contact with the spores of the fungus, the spores attach itself to the exoskeleton and starts germinating. The fungus then starts its journey inside the ant's body, eventually reaching its brain. Henceforth starts the game of manipulation. Infected ants display abnormal movement pattern and altered behavior, such as climbing up vegetation and biting onto the underside of leaves or twigs. Now, this behavior is thought to be an adaptation which benefits the fungus, as it provides optimal condition for spore dispersal. Eventually, the ant dies, and the fungus continue to grow and consume the ant's body from inside. Now, that's a real soul-sucking monster we are talking about. But they don't stop there. After a few days, a fruiting body emerges from the ant's head or body, releasing new spores into the environment. These spores can infect other ants, continuing the life cycle of the fungus. Well, the ants sure do justice to their tag, zombie ants. Out of many universal truths, one that I firmly believe in is that spiders are creepy. Nope, you cannot change my mind, they sure are. Now, if you feel the same, think about zombie spiders. Say hello to our next contender. A nerve-wracking discovery in the Ecuadorian Amazon tells us about the manipulative strategies employed by the Zatipota wasp on the Aeximia spiders. These spiders are typically social animals living in colonies. However, upon infestation by the Zatipota wasp, they undergo a bizarre change of events. According to research, the Zatipota wasp lay eggs on the spider's abdomen, and as the larva hatches, they start controlling the spider's behavior. Normally living in groups, the Aeximia spider now exhibit a no-strings attached behavior, straying far away from the groups to distant locations and start weaving cocoons for the developing larvas. The larva eventually gains full control of their host, turning them into a zombie-like being. The wasp larva finishes off the job by devouring our poor spider. Now, even though spiders give me those heebie-jeebies, it sure doesn't deserve such an unfortunate end. So fellas, every time you watch a zombie movie, be grateful of the fact that the dead stays in the grave. And anything otherwise could be fatally catastrophic, unless of course you want to be their snacks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating mysteries of the natural world. Until next time, be safe and stay curious.